Hello, and welcome to a special edition quiz which will focus entirely on something we all know and love: food. But don't get too comfortable, this quiz will get trickier as we move along. We'll kick things off with an image round and then move on to some mixed trivia. Following that, we have a choose one round, and we will wrap things up with the much-loved multiple choice round. The quiz has 50 questions in all, and be sure to keep track of your score and let me know how you got on in the comments below. Quickly hit subscribe if you'd like to support the work that goes into making these quizzes. And with all that said and done, let's get into it. Name the food you see here. And what spice is this? What fruit do you see here? What dish is this? And what do we have here? What spice is this? What bread is this? What do you see here? And what are these? And lastly, what do you see here? A spicy green paste commonly served with sushi. That would be wasabi. A Middle Eastern dip made primarily from chickpeas and tahini. And that's hummus. A Korean dish of fermented cabbage and spices. That's kimchi. Thinly sliced raw fish served without rice. It's sashimi. The fifth basic taste, often described as savory. That's umami. A soft French cheese with a white rind named after a region near Paris. That's the ever-popular brie. A crumbly Greek cheese traditionally made from sheep's milk. And that cheese is feta. A Japanese paste made from fermented soybeans. Miso. A Spanish sausage flavored with smoked paprika. That's chorizo. An Italian ham that is dry cured and served thinly sliced and uncooked. It's named prosciutto. A Spanish rice dish traditionally cooked in a wide, shallow pan. That's paella. A Swiss dish of melted cheese served communally with bread for dipping. And that's fondue. A Greek sauce made from yogurt, cucumber, and garlic. It's tzatziki. A protein-rich seed native to the Andes, often mistaken for a grain. Quinoa. Italian dumplings typically made from potato. It's gnocchi. A starch extracted from the cassava root used to make bubble tea pearls. That starch is tapioca. Small steamed granules made from semolina wheat. It's couscous. A tropical fruit known for its strong and divisive smell. That smelly fruit is durian. An Italian cheese made from whey, often used in lasagna. That's ricotta. A dense dark German bread made from rye. That bread is pumpernickel. I give you the clue, you choose the right answer. An Italian rice dish cooked slowly by stirring in broth. A Japanese noodle soup with a rich broth. A popular Thai hot sauce with a rooster on the bottle. A Latin American dish of raw fish cured in citrus juice. A garlic-flavored emulsion sauce from the Mediterranean. A sweet, flaky Middle Eastern pastry made with nuts and honey. A protein-rich food made from coagulated soy milk. A fermented tea drink known for its tangy, fizzy taste. An Indian flatbread traditionally baked in a tandoor oven. And finally, a mixture of fat and flour used to thicken sauces. What country does the dish moussaka originate from? What type of pasta has a name meaning little tongues? What spice gives curry its yellow color? What is the main ingredient in the Japanese dish takoyaki? Which nut is used to make marzipan? What does the Italian term al dente literally translate to? Which country is the origin of the Scoville scale for measuring chili heat? Dashi, a fundamental Japanese stock, is traditionally made from kelp and what? What type of milk is traditionally used to make Indian paneer?